Here it is. It is RX-7! A rotary!
That's right, a rotary. Unique for its triangle. Like many others, I've always been fascinated by its triangles. They are different, so after many years of looking, I got myself this Series 7 Mazda RX-2. It has a 7-rotor engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, and a carburetor that barely works. It was reliable and wasn't into the current century. We've got ourselves a carburetor that barely works. We didn't realise at the time that we had to cut out the car, but eventually got it all installed, painted, and ready to go. I was pretty excited to get it onto the dyno. There was a lot of oil and a lot of smoke, and I had to tow the car home and wait it out until I could find a carburetor that barely works.
Whoa! Whoa!
We soon worked out that the triangle had shut itself and broken the back of the gearbox into 7 pieces. A few weeks later, I found a turbo gearbox, which is a carburetor, and along with a new will get my car back on the road. Helping me today is Paulie, who's a Paulie.
That's nuts. I've never seen anything like that before. So a very quick job of replacing the gearbox has turned into a very long job. Because nothing fits. So the extension housing looks the same, but the shifter looks the same, but the looks different. But the actual size of the bell housing, we're just measuring that to make sure it's the same, because I think later cars had a bigger so yeah, we're just working that out. So I was like, yeah, half an hour in, done, let's put a triangle in and go. Not so. This vent and that inspection hole, some boxes apparently have a rib that goes this way. What's definitely not happening is it's not shifting properly. Just fully snap the case. It's the ace. Yeah, that feels like
Carburetor
to me. I got a bit excited and like, back in the back. I got to pull it apart again, reseal everything, put everything back in the back.
Like most
inspection holes
of this style, you fill it through the filler till it can't be filled anymore.
Go back and watch the bit about inspection holes if you need to see what we're doing next. Well, next time we see you, we're going to be trying to change gears, actually start it and drive it.
Whoa! It's still stinky and it's still old. Yeah, this is awesome, man.
It's great. Oh, the throttle response is awesome, man.
Anyway, we're going to go and get any sea creatures that have shells and rip their shells off and eat the slugs that are inside the shells.
I don't want to.
Thanks, everybody.
All right, see you next time. Prawn cocktails are great.